The Rotate to Ground tool will rotate and move selected polygons to a defined ground plane based on the first polygon selected. So let's take a look. I'm going to grab just the polygon right here on the box. I'm going to come over to Modify, Rotate, More, and I'm going to choose Rotate to Ground. I can pick the axis. I'm going to choose the Y. We'll say that that's our ground, and I'll pick the Y and click OK. And it will rotate and move that to the ground, okay, to the y-axis. I'm going to undo, select this polygon that's at this crazy angle, and I'm going to also then select all the geometry. So we know that the first polygon I selected was this, but then I went ahead and selected the rest of the geometry, and I'm going to choose Modify, Rotate, More, Rotate to Ground, and let's use the same option. We'll use the y-axis. And not only does it move that and rotate that one polygon, the whole thing snaps to the Y. It snaps to the ground plane. Okay, I'm going to undo and select this polygon right here. And then I'm going to do a select connect. So it grabs all the geometry and come over to Modify, Rotate More, Rotate to Ground. Now this time I'm going to use the Sense option, which allows me to choose which side of the axis, which side of the plane do I want to work with, the positive or the negative. Now if I use positive, it's going to move and rotate it and rest it here, and it's resting on that one polygon. But if I come back and choose the negative, well, it's going to be on the negative side of that plane. So see how it's in the negative y instead of the positive y? So it's a quick way of, in the case of, say this was, we wanted this resting on the plane, but it was at the wrong angle, even if it was just slightly at the wrong angle, we'd be able to know that we could snap it right into place where we could rotate and move it right to either the X, Y, or Z axis, and we can decide between the positive and negative axis. So one last time, I'm just going to select connect, choose rest to ground, and there we go. It's resting on the ground. Quick and easy tool. Rotate to ground, found under the Modify tab.